So there's a craze going on about liquid dough roti. I thought I must try it as well. For this I've taken small quantities because this is an experiment. I took a small cup of wheat flour. To that I added a bit of salt, half a spoon of ginger garlic paste, a bit of coriander, and I added water and made it into a liquid dough. Of course I added some carom seeds as well. As I was making this, I was thinking of why would people want to make liquid dough roti. There are obviously two obvious reasons. One is that, like me, there are many people who don't like to make rotis. And secondly, this could be a very easy option. Maybe time saving, maybe effort saving. So let's see whether it really is that. A bit of oil and again mix it up. You see the consistency of the dough. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes before I thought I should make the rotis. On a heated tawa, I poured about a serving spoonful of the dough and tried to make it look like a circle. That was not so difficult. Normally when I make rotis at home, I make it on medium to low flame because rotis tend to burn otherwise on high flame and they don't cook well. So that's the same thing I'm doing here, and because it is liquid, I think it takes a while to cook. I also didn't want to make it like a dosa and hence poured it a bit thick. This is an unedited version of my making the roti, so that you also know just how long it takes and how it turns out. I'm waiting for it to cook a bit so that I can flip it to the other side. Oh, that's a bit clumsy of me, but never mind. That's the first flip I'm making of the roti. At this point of time, I am 1.5 minutes already into roti making. I'm hoping that this roti blows and into a balloon-like shape like all other rotis that we make. Finally, I flipped it again, but looks like that side is not done yet. So we'll have to be a bit patient. Here I'm flipping once more and hoping that that side would get done. At this point, I want to tell all my viewers that they can forward the clip and go towards the end of the clip if they'd like to, or wait till the roti is done. While we are waiting for the roti to be done, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. I'm so wanting to get this done. I'm well into 4+ minutes into making this roti. Can you believe it? We are 4 people at home, and on an average, each person eats about 2 rotis. So we have 8 rotis to make. At this rate, I'll be spending 8 into 4 or maybe more minutes in the kitchen to make rotis. That is half an hour to make 8 rotis. Considering that it'll get done in 4 minutes. But it's not yet done. Time to apply some ghee and fry it on both sides. I needed some uplifting music to pass my time while one roti was made. Will I make these rotis again? Never, even if they turn out well. It's really not worth the time and effort that it takes. However, let's see how it turns out. Roti is finally done after about more than 6 minutes. Moment of truth. The roti was certainly soft, but the texture was not at all good. Also, after it cooled down, the texture became sort of rubbery. My judgment, I'll certainly not make it.